raining out, so I'm stuck in here waiting until rain stops. How do I like it here? I mean, I like it. I like getting around easy. But some of the people are like, I don't know. And people say, like, you should be careful more. This place is not really good, the people-wise. There's a lot of, like, people on drugs out here, like fiends, trying to take advantage of others. But basically, there's people everywhere in the world trying to take advantage of somebody, you know? I mean, I know all that. Like, they don't understand how hard it is, like, being on the streets and not having nowhere to go to, and what the risks you have to take. I don't know. I haven't done anything. Once she kicked me out, I was sleeping outside. Like, I was sleeping outside. And then I sleep at that guy's house at nighttime, and then I leave out during the day. I mean, I didn't let nobody was saying, people saying, go back to Pennsylvania, go back to Pennsylvania. No, I was determined to get settled here, come all the way out here for, even though my aunt didn't work out, like, I'm gonna, like, persevere, go through the process of strong, to get somewhere, a stable place, and I found a stable place. And I can say that, it's not by my strength, but God's strength. He worked the whole situation out, how the process went. Stayed with that lady 7 months, and then it was time for me to go, he said, and then it was time for me to get my place. And even though she said that I wasn't going to get that place, I kept strong mind, knowing, going forward, regardless of her bad talk down on me, saying that I'm not going to get the place. Because I kept the hope. She wasn't doing that. She freaking was impatient. She kicked me on the freaking streets for no darn reason, making all these accusations against me. And then she called the freaking police on me, and I didn't freaking do nothing to her. Like, I really didn't do nothing to her. She got mad because I was talking about the eviction stuff, telling her, like, you just can't kick me out on the streets like that, because that's not against Tennessee law. And she didn't want to go by Tennessee law. She said her law. And so I was just trying to tell her that. And she was getting all in her feelings, making a big scene about it. Like, she is the problem, the issue. The lady, she is the one that got problems. She made lies to the police. I let the police record the stuff she was saying that she was gonna do to me, like false accusations, and the police recorded everything because they got it on record now. Like, it's ridiculous how she act like that. And at the end of the day, people will be on her side, her messed up side. That's cool though. They're just like her. I'll stay here a while, like I'll stay here a good while, and then I'll go to another state. Might go to California, might go to Arizona, I don't know. I mean, the landlady's nice. She welcomed me to the neighborhood. She welcomed me to the neighborhood and she gave me some food and was like, here, I know you don't have much. Like, she's real nice. The neighbor's nice. The neighborhood's quiet. The the apartment's real nice. It has some shower. They have a little like get together. They have a little like get together in the freaking the across the street where you can like go across the street, play games, whatever, get to know the neighbors if you wanted to. So it's like a real different. I know somebody was knocking on my door earlier. I didn't even know who it was. It was some lady.